Can I ask you what's your name and your section?
I'm Darius Villamil from 11 Apple.
And for my first question, what do you think is the reason why you become a procrastination or
Uh,
procrastinator?
I procrastinate because I often wait until I get motivated. That makes my work delayed.
That's a wonderful answer. For my second question is, why do you find it difficult to manage your time in doing your school tasks and personal responsibilities?
I find it hard to manage time because I get easily distracted by my phone and sometimes don't know what to do first.
For my third question, what activities do you usually engage in the day that you are supposed to be working on your task?
I usually spend my time playing video games and scrolling on social media instead of doing my work.
Thank you for your answer. And for my fourth question, why do you still choose to procrastinate even though you are aware of the consequences of not completing tasks on time?
I procrastinate because I still think that I feel more overwhelmed and believe that I can do better if I'm near the deadline.
And for my last question, what do you think is the solution to stop your procrastination or procrastinating?
I can stop procrastinating by creating a schedule and limiting my distraction that and start my task even though I don't feel like it.
Thank you for your wonderful answer. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Danica O. Plazo and I'm from Group 7 and I am your interviewer. I will ask you questions that are relevant to our study that our group prepared. Okay, so for my first question, what do you think is the reason why you become a procrastinator?
I become a procrastinator because I get lazy and easily distracted.
Okay, so for my second question, why do you find it hard to manage your time in doing your school tasks and personal responsibilities?
I find it hard to manage time because I don't plan properly and sometimes I get tired.
For my third question is, what activities do you usually engage in on the day you are supposed to be working on your tasks?
I usually scroll on my phone watching videos or play games instead of doing my tasks.
For my fourth question is, why do you still choose to procrastinate even though you are aware of the consequences of not completing tasks on time?
Um, um, I still procrastinate because I think I can finish later and I don't feel like starting right away.
Okay, so for my last question, what do you think is the solution to stop your procrastination?
For me, the solution is to make a schedule, start tasks little by little, and avoid distractions.
Okay, thank you for your answers and thank you for participating in this.
Um, how your how your school, Johans?
Okay lang naman po.
Can I ask what is your section?
I'm from 11 Intel po.
Okay, let's proceed to the question. The first question is, what do you think is the reason why you become a procrastinator?
Naging procrastinator po ako dahil hindi po sapat yung schedule ko para gawin po sila sa tamang gawain.
Okay, and the second, why do you find it difficult to manage your time in doing your school tasks and personal responsibilities?
Dahil wala po akong sapat na time management at hindi ko po sila na-schedule by time kaya nahihirapan po ako sila gawin at the same time.
Okay, and the third, What activities do you usually engage in the day you are supposed to be working on your task?
Ah, Nagpa-practice po ako ng, marching band and at the same time pag-uwi ko po ng bahay, gumagawa rin po ako ng house chores. Kaya ayun po ang mga ginagawa ko sa day na activities po dapat ng school yung ginagawa ko.
Okay, and the fourth, why do you still choose to procrastinate even though you are aware of the consequence of not completing tasks on time?
Kasi wala rin po akong choice and wala rin po akong time management and kaya nahirapan po ako silang gawin at ayun po.
Okay, and the last one, what do you think is the solution to stop your procrastinator?
For me po, ang best solution po dito is magsagawa po ako ng schedule and mag-ayos po ako ng time management ko para hindi na po ako mahirapan sa mga activities ko.
Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much, Johans.
Thank you po.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, first of all, you can introduce yourself.
My name is Chavi Castillo Pabuhot, and I'm from 11 Infosys.
Okay, let's start. First question. Why do you think is the reason why you become procrastination? Procrastination.
I think I become a procrastinator because mas pinipili ko na maging tamad minsan, lalo na sa mga gawain ko. And minsan mas gusto ko yung last minute ko ginagawa yung mga task, tapos magmo-multitask. And also, hindi lang yun, may mga distraction din like social media. Tapos, syempre, um, hindi mo magagawa yung mga gawain mo kapag nade-distract ka sa social media. Syempre, scroll doon. Tapos, ano, um, scroll dito, ganun. Yun lang.
Okay, good question. Good answer. Okay, second question. Why do you find it difficult to manage your time in doing your school tasks and personal responsibilities?
Siyempre, minsan, mahirap i-manage yung time, lalo na kapag marami kang mga gawain. Tapos, feel mo ma-overwhelm ka kasi, syempre, sobrang dami mong gawain sa schools, tapos sa schoolwork, tapos dito sa bahay, ganun. And, syempre, yun din, yung distraction din sa phone kapag syempre, pag may mga pag-uusap kayo ng mga friends mo, minsan nakakalimutan mo na yung mga gawain mo. Kaya, parang ang hirap i-manage ng time, lalo na kapag hindi mo naman alam yung priorities mo.